to my channel, Passive Entrepreneur with Zainab. Today, I'm going to be reviewing both the 3-day Freedom Breakthrough and the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. I went through both trainings and they are both great. I'm going to flip my camera around and let's take these two trainings apart one after the other. So, we're going to talk about the 3-day challenge first. The 3-day challenge, of course, is a newer course. It's just for 3 days. It's for someone that wants to start their online business real fast. Just go through the course, boom, 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 create your own funnel, and get started to drive traffic to it. It talks about different sources of traffic, majorly YouTube and TikTok. But this 3-day focuses solely on affiliate marketing. So if you've decided I want to go into affiliate marketing and this is what I want to do, this is how I want to build my business, then this 3-day, it's amazing for you. If at the end of the day, you take the program you think is a good program and you feel like you can support it and you think it can give value to your followers or the people and you decide to promote it, you get 50% commission. But on the 3-day challenge, you don't get a business advisor or anything like that. So on day 1, it talks about the general overview of the course, what you're going to be doing and stuff like that. And on day 2, it talks about how to build your own business, how to write your email autoresponder, talks about all the platforms that you can use like GetResponse and ClickFunnels and stuff like that. So if you scroll down, you have a workbook here, you have the funnel here. It uses ClickFunnels. It uses ClickFunnels to talk about the business or building the business. And then you get the bonus affiliate funnel. If you decide to promote this product after you're done. It uses GetResponse, and GetResponse has free 30-day trial. He also has a great community on Facebook. He has a Facebook group that is amazing that you can always reach out to people or reach out to him and ask questions if you're confused or stuck. These are the websites that are available, like affiliate networks that are available for you if you decide to promote something else. You can find like weight loss, relationship, and stuff like that. You can find them on these affiliate networks. Let's look at day 3. Day 3 now talks about the traffic. Like I mentioned earlier in my PowerPoint, it talks about how to drive traffic to your affiliate link using TikTok or YouTube. I think those are the two major ones it's talked about. So that is what day 3 is for. And if after the day 3, like I said, you can also become an affiliate for the program and you get 50% commission on whatever you sell. So with the 15-day challenge, this one has full overview of 4 different online businesses that you can do. And I'm going to show you also the back office of that so that you can see what I'm talking about. It's for 15 days. It's longer than the 3-day because it has more information about other online businesses that you can do. Like I said earlier, it has 4 different online businesses sales online businesses that you can do. And it also talks about the mindset, which I think is very, very important when you want to start your online business or any kind of business for that matter. Listening to what Dave Sharp talked about mindset really, really changed and helped me start my own TikTok account because I didn't want to show my face, but listening to him and hearing what he's gone through and how showing his face has helped me build this business. I was like, I'm just going to give this a try and see how it goes. And so far, so good. I've been enjoying creating content every single day on TikTok, and that's really, really helped me to build my business. On the 15th day, you also have a business advisor. I think that's on the day 5. The downside to this is that it might take you a while to be able to schedule an appointment. So my advice is for anyone that wants to get into the 15-day is as soon as you get in, schedule your appointment while you go through the day 1 and day 2. If at the end of 15 days you also have the opportunity to become an affiliate marketer for them, you earn up to 40 to 60% commission. But I'm also going to talk a little bit about that further down in the video. But let's take a look at the dashboard of the 15-day business builder challenge. So this is the dashboard of the 15-day business builder challenge. As you can see, it's from day 1 all the way to day 15. On day 1, let's take a look at it together. It talks about building a high ticket, high profit business. I mean, that is if you decide not to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of them, but there are 3 other ones that you can do that are not affiliate marketing. So on day 2, it shows the overview of the 4 core business models, online business models. And on day 3, the day 3 here on the 15-day business builder challenge is similar to the day 2 of the 3-day challenge, because this is where they also show you how to build your own business and build your affiliate marketing business and how to get started with it. Day 4 is just more about, getting in the game and mastering the game. Sorry about that, guys. Mastering the game and of making money online and wealth in general. Day 5 talks about the business plan, which is another amazing thing that I really liked about this program, because it gives you an overview on how to create your own business plan and where you're going with your business in the next couple of years. So I like that a lot. So day 7, 8 all the way to day 14 talks about high income skills that you need and why you need them in order to be able to grow your business. And in here you can see that there are some assignments that you need to do and stuff like that. So on day 3, like I said, they talked about the 4 businesses. So these are the bonuses you get. These are linked to ClickFunnels. So if you don't want to be an affiliate marketer, because I know a lot of people don't want to be an affiliate marketer, if you decide you want to sell your own digital products, maybe you have a book that you just, an ebook that you're just reading and you want to sell it through a funnel, here's a funnel that you can use. If you're a coach, relationship coach, like we've always talked about the 3 major niches in affiliate marketing, which is health, wealth, and relationship. This is good for someone that coaches people, talks about relationship, stuff like that. This is perfect for them. If you're someone that does a lot of masterminds and webinar, this is another funnel that you can use. So this is all connected to ClickFunnels. So this is something that you're interested in, you can always use this. We're going to compare both side by side. That's what we're going to do next. So for the 3-day, like I said, it's strictly for affiliate marketers. If you want to start your business real fast, this is, when it comes to speed, this is the 3-day for you. And the 15 days shows, like I said, shows overview of other businesses, which takes more time, which I think is the reason why it took 15 days. There are other businesses that they talked about on there, which I also feel is good if affiliate marketing is not for you. You also get a one-on-one coaching with a business advisor twice in the 15 days, which is amazing. They both have similar affiliate programs. Like I said, you do not have to promote these products. You can decide to promote any kind of product, but these 2 programs are going to show you the basics of or the foundations of affiliate marketing and how to get started with it. So for the 3-day, you get 50% commission on everything you sell. Now it also has a new funnel, which is called the white label funnel, which gives you more room to make more money down the funnel that you build. The 15 days you 40 to 60% commission. But like I said, I was going to talk more about this. For you to be able to make up to 60%, 40%, you need to upgrade to the pro account, which is $29 a month. Both are $7. They're both at the price of a cup of Starbucks coffee, which I think is great and affordable for something that can potentially change your life. So if you ask me, I'll tell you to do both. because that is what I did, and they both helped me one way or the other to grow my online business, my affiliate marketing business. One gives you an actionable steps to take to start your affiliate marketing business, while the other gives you the foundation on how to get started with not just affiliate marketing business, but 3 other online businesses that you can, start making money online. Both gonna help you in different ways to grow your business or to start your online business. And with that, we've come to the end of this amazing video. I hope you guys gained some golden nugget from this video. If you're interested in this training program that I talked about, I'm going to leave a link down below. Feel free to ask me any questions and I'll respond to your comments. I really appreciate you guys for being here today, and thank you for staying tuned. Talk to you next time.